Yeah, Quantix has about 1,600 drivers, and Safety Suite was brought to us, I'm not sure what the first introduction was of Safety Suite, but the purpose behind that is to instill the safety culture that we're looking for. Our core values, the number one is safety, of course. Our CEO on down has bought into not just this safety culture piece, but specifically Idelic and Safety Suite and the predictive modeling it brings to us. True predictive modeling where we can see, based on a whole bunch of data fed into the system, we can see what could happen or will happen if intervention doesn't occur. So we looked at Idelic to get in front of drivers that we knew needed the coaching, needed the intervention, so that we make them not just better drivers for Quantix, but better drivers for themselves. We have a specific, very large customer, core customer, that we have a quarterly review meeting, operations review. I introduced our efforts and our venture with Idelic several calls ago. When I get on these calls now, safety is always the first topic covered. And before I can begin to talk about where we are in our growth with Safety Suite and where we are with the rollout of Safety Suite, the questions come from the customer first. Right out before I even start, hey, how is that predictive modeling thing going? How's that going? What's that called? So customers, now that I've introduced it to them and have explained the predictive modeling process, I get the questions before I can even begin to give the updates. So I'm able just to walk right into that based on my customers' knowledge of that already in our previous discussions and say, well, this is the results we've seen. And now that it's just been a short 3 months that we've had the button switched and we're seeing the percentages improve, they see our CSA scores improving, and that's a big deal. So makes it easy to talk about.